Welcome to this onboarding video for Pragma's On-Key Asset Performance Management System. Here we'll guide you on how to activate your profile and navigate the platform with ease. Once your profile is registered, you'll receive 2 invitation emails, one for On-Key Actions Asset Pulse application and one for On-Key Plus. Make sure you complete registration for both using either your mobile device or desktop. Each email includes instructions and a link that will open the platform in your browser. A sign-in pop-up will appear where you'll add your email and password. Note that you need to select Reset Password for this process. Ensure that your browser allows pop-ups so you can log in successfully. When you click on the link in your email, you'll land on this page. Select Public Key Cloak. Another pop-up will appear. Enter your email address and password to access the platform. You have now successfully logged into On-Key Plus. Here, you can easily navigate to the Asset Pulse app, your dashboards, and your reports. Select the Asset Pulse icon. When directed to the page, check that the notification blocker is disabled to allow you to proceed to the site. Log in with the password you created using the registration link sent to your email. Your landing page is a live map view of all assets assigned to your account. Each asset is color-coded to indicate whether there are any active alarms. Clicking on an asset label opens a details screen. From here, you can select the Details button to explore further. The dashboard view provides in-depth information on the different monitoring points of the selected asset. Here we can see an active alarm on the generator, indicating that its emergency stop was activated. In the Details tab, you'll find the asset service history, contact details, statistics, and asset information. It's important to keep this information up to date. The analytics funnel allows you to filter specific monitoring points and analyze specific parameters. Here we see the generator's current across all phases. You can switch between graph and table views to explore time-based readings such as the start and stop times of the generator. The Maintenance tab shows you all open maintenance tasks and scheduled monthly inspections. On the left-hand vertical menu, the List View filter displays all assets in a table format. You can click into each asset for a detailed live view. You can access the dashboards from both On-Key Plus and Asset Pulse. Dashboards provide visualizations and analytics, allowing you to perform real-time analysis. The tree view presents assets in a hierarchical structure. From here, you can switch back to the map whenever needed. You can review past performance via monthly reports in On-Key Plus. These reports can be downloaded as PDF documents. Thank you for watching the onboarding video. If you need further assistance at any point, your Pragma support engineer is available at 064 8851 524.